I found out about Design Engine when our company, Hyundai, sent multiple designers here last year for training. My experience at Design Engine was very beneficial because the instructor was willing to, because of the small class size, the instructor was willing to adjust his training to meet our particular needs, where a lot of other trainings is follow the book chapter to chapter, not as beneficial. So the instructor was able to adjust his course for us. So I think that was very beneficial. Dave is the instructor. He's from San Diego. He has a lot of manufacturing experience, and he was very helpful and informative.